Have you noticed celebrities suddenly funding strange animal studies? It's not just curiosity, it's a desperate race against time to reverse aging itself. We are witnessing a shift where the world's richest individuals treat investing like a business, focusing on the longevity mindset to secure their future against age-related decline. While some like Elon Musk dismiss it, others, like Jeff Bezos and Mark Zuckerberg, are secretly pouring millions into research targeting senescent cells that cause aging. This includes controversial secret projects involving animals like otters, sparking doomsday speculation as they look for biological keys to extreme life extension. The goal is clear: tracking biotech developments to stop the buildup of dysfunctional cells and potentially achieve age reversal technology. These investments are part of a broader executive strategy, moving beyond traditional wealth management into the cutting edge of global health and survival. Whether it's a hidden hideaway or a lab in Zurich, these billionaires are betting everything on the science that could let them live forever. Chapter 5 or SOAR of life extension is here, but who will win this race against biology? Subscribe now for more deep dives into the secrets of longevity.